Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon. We're here in SM Clark, Pampanga, and we're going to meet Georgie, and we're going to take.
I want to interview Georgi how much he spent money in the Philippines. He can say how much, and in the future maybe we can do video. We can do video about how much we spend money because we have already house. That's why different little bit. But we can meet with Georgi right now in SM. Georgi already in SM and we go.
Sorry for my face because I have pimples.
Yeah, sure. okay. We're in SM now. Today, Sunday. Sunday, so many people always. Another side. Another side, okay. Food court again, so many people. Shaira, where you want it? Greenwich again. Okay, we're going to Greenwich now. And later you want coffee. Okay, well, so many people really. So many people really today. Same in the Christmas, so many people. Soon, yes.
After children take some
What after children?
in 26 or 25, after they have money, they go here.
This is Japanese bakery and cafe. Very popular. Oh, McDonald's big line. Hello. So many people in McDonald's. Georgi. Oh, Georgi. Hi, Georgi. Greenwich? Oh, you're so wet. You maybe so many kilometers run. Because you wait Shaira, I know.
Not a problem.
Because we waiting you. Okay. Greenwich. Georgi, I want to interview you about how much you spent money. Okay, we can see our table. Leon today not order foods. I will drink only water. Shaira will eat my foods. No joke. No, really, I not only water. Shaira will eat and Georgi will eat.
Leon will gonna eat the pizza.
Really?
Because Leon ate in the home, the soup there, chicken soup I cook. That's why.
Yeah, for me better eat at home. I don't want it. But Shaira said, Shaira don't want it pizza. It's okay, I said. If you don't like, Leon will eat. But I will only order water.
Also have this one.
Okay. I don't want cola, Shaira. Cola, it's not for me.
Better cola.
How much is this?
149.
149.
No, 189.
149 with chicken.
189.
189. About 200 peso. And you, how much you pay?
199.
Why not? No, it's same. 10 peso.
This one is better with rice, ready with spaghetti.
I say same price. Same price. With 10 peso different only.
But it's better this one.
This better?
Rice already, pizza, egg, and spaghetti.
Georgi don't want rice.
But we like pizza.
Hi everyone, now we in the coffee bean in SM City Clark, and I want to ask Georgi about how much money he spent in the Philippines. Shaira, okay. You order coffee, and what is Shaira? This cheesecake? It's not cheesecake. It's carrot cake. Carrot cake.
Carrot cheesecake.
Carrot cheesecake. Yes. Georgi, I want to ask you how much you spent money in the Philippines. You already live in the Philippines about 1 year. About 1 year. And you always, I know you use your phone and count money every time when you pay. You already
Yes.
know how much money you spend now.
For example, for October I spent for living here about $1,000 US. It's prices here in Russian rubles, but you can
Convert to US
convert
dollar.
to US dollars. Convert to peso, okay, in peso, Filipino peso. For groceries, I spent about 1,000 or 10,000 pesos.
10,000 peso one
Yes.
month in
1 month.
grocery.
It's, for example, when I buy salmon, when I buy something else in SM city. For eat outside, when I drink coffee, when I go to play billiard, I order something. I spent about also 10,000 pesos. And 10,000 pesos for entertainment. It's
Entertainment, it's mean you going to the walking street.
yes, it's
It's only 10,000 peso.
yes.
So it's including if you take girl to drink coffee in your apartment. Only
Yes.
10,000 peso.
Yes.
Because one our subscriber said need to spend 1 day about 10,000 peso. But for you it's one month.
Yes, 1 month.
It's very very good.
Because I don't spend more than 1,000 when I meet with the girl. And
So for
So-
girls only 1,000 peso.
10,000 per month.
Yes, it's depend of the girl, I know.
Yes.
10,000 it's for all entertainment.
Yes.
So you go to billiard, all.
No. Billiard, it's like eating outside of my home. It's I order coffee, I order hot tea. What else?
So entertainment it's mean
Entertainment, it's only for Filipinos.
Philippine lady
Yes.
drink coffee in your apartment. Okay,
Yes.
okay. 10,000 peso.
So
only.
10, 10, and 10. It's in October. 30,000 pesos. And I pay for my apartment and for electricity about 23,000 pesos.
Including electricity also.
Yes, including electricity. 23,000.
And including water. Water,
Yes, including water, electricity,
internet also.
Yes.
Internet if mobile internet.
Mobile, it's the cheapest price. I think about maybe 100 peso per month because I buy the package of internet traffic about 20 gigabytes.
It's magic data. Magic
Yes,
data.
yes, it's unlimited. So validity period is 1 year.
Yeah.
So I spent not much. So I think 100, maybe 50.
I think 50 peso 1
Yes.
month.
Yes, sometimes I have spendings for medicine. For example, when I go to the dentist, I have problem with my tooth. They tell me we need to remove because it's broken already. So I remove my tooth.
They remove how much in the Philippines?
It was difficult removal. It's about 8,000. So it was
8,000.
really
Remove.
yes, it was really difficult because she started to remove and she invite another doctor to help and another 2 doctors to help.
To doctor.
Yes, they try to remove and invite another one. So it was about 5 people in the room to remove my tooth. But later only one doctor stay and remove. Yes, it takes maybe 2 hours, maybe 2 hours 30 minutes.
About transportation.
Transportation. What do you mean?
No, I mean trike, jeepney. No, you not use.
No, I don't use.
Only walk.
Yes.
Okay. But total, how much you spend money, including ladies, entertainment, foods, and grocery, all.
It's about 55,000 pesos.
So it's 1,000 US dollar.
Yes.
Of
It's,
course, it's
I
not
think-
including medicine.
Yes, it's minimum. For if something happens, for example, like my tooth problem, I spend more.
So who go to the Philippines for live, who want to live in the Philippines, need 1 month minimum 1,000 US dollar, right?
No, if I rent cheap apartments, I can rent, for example, I can spend 10,000 for apartment, for example. And if I cook food in my apartment always, and if I don't buy salmon, for example, if I buy more cheap
Filipino,
protein
like
food,
Filipino foods, rice, like this.
maybe if I buy chicken, it's more cheaper. So I think if I don't spend money for girls, I think I can spend 30,000 pesos.
So maybe 500, 600 US dollar, it's
Minimum.
minimum can, but minimum is $500 minimum for living in the Philippines.
I think yes.
If people don't have $500, better not go to the Philippines. Yeah, because it's already not easy to live. Or maybe in province and the village.
Yes, maybe in province, maybe in islands where not many foreigners like in this place. Where you can rent, for example, bamboo house, and it costs about 2,000 per month.
Without electric.
Yes, no electricity, mobile internet only. If you cook something, maybe 10,000 is enough.
And if you have Filipino girlfriend
Yes, yes.
who work and give to you money.
Yes, because I remember in Panlao Island someone rent a bamboo house and live in this house and spend maybe $20. So it's possible, but not comfortable.
But not in Angeles City. Angeles City
it's
is
expensive.
expensive, yeah.
Yes, if you go to South Islands, maybe you can live $20, $200.
Okay, Georgi, thank you for interview and explain to us how much you spend money. Shaira, now I want to ask you about how much in the Philippines need money for living in the Philippines if you for example live not in home. Filipino people, if go to province or how much need money for live?
For province,
About province, for example, if Filipino go to province, he need to also rent house or apartment.
so here in Philippines, if you're not don't have house here in Philippines, you need to rent for 5,000 to 5,500. It's maximum already here. It's already like
It's
one house.
$100, one
Yes,
house.
it's 1 month. Here,
1 month's house or apartment?
It's have also 5,500. It's already seem like house already, but
Simple
it's
house.
but it's they call it apartment only. But it's 5,500.
About foods, Philippine foods. Georgi said he spent for foods only 20,000 peso. Oh, 20, wait, 20. 20, how much you spend?
For groceries, 10,000, and for eating outside my home, 10,000.
10, so 20,000 peso he spent, 20,000 peso he spent only for foods, grocery and eat outside. For Filipino, what do you think? Filipino, how much money need?
Maximum here 300 per day.
300 peso
If you
per
have
day.
family.
If you have, no, for example, if,
For
if
single
one
only.
single, 300 peso one day.
Maybe because if you buy some food only in sari-sari store or carinderia, 50 pesos is maximum food, and rice is 10 pesos, so 60 pesos.
No, 50,
60 pesos.
One day, how
One
much?
day, 60 pesos.
60 peso one
If-
day.
If you eat in carinderia.
In
But if you
carinderia.
cook, maybe maximum 100 pesos.
Okay, we thinking about 100 peso
Okay.
one day. One day. It's mean 3,000 peso 1 month. 3,000 peso it's enough for Filipino live for foods. It's for foods.
Yes.
And 5,000 peso for apartment for living. Yeah. So it's about maximum maybe need to for Filipino maybe maximum it's enough.
But what is this? The electric, it's not the same
Not
there.
including-
Not
not
including in the
including.
5,500. So, and if she's renting, maybe water, maximum it's 300 to 400.
300 water, electric.
Electric, if she's alone, maybe in 1,000 to 500 pesos.
1.5. It's
No, 500 to 1,000 pesos.
for electric without aircon of course. It's
Without
only electric
aircon,
fan.
it's electric fan only. If you don't have so many, what is this? Things in the home, and what I need to say. If you have internet, 1.5 here, or and 400 pesos for internet if you have using phone only. You know, the internet for 1 month.
Well, now internet already cheaper. It's magic data is not expensive. Even you have phone with internet. I pay for SIM card. With SIM card with 24 gigabyte. It's already 1 year, Shaira. It's not
But
expensive.
if you're going to outside, like go to drink or go to eat outside, maybe maximum it's 500. It's already maximum.
Okay, Angeles City, Mabalacat City. This is very close. What do you think? Where cheaper? In Angeles or Mabalacat or same for Filipino people. Only Angeles in Balibago is very different.
Mabalacat for me.
Mabalacat more cheaper,
Yes.
but if Angeles not in Balibago, not place where foreigner always stay. Angeles is the same.
Have also part of Angeles that cheapest. In near Apo, where the
San Nicolas
San
Market.
Nicolas Market, you can buy some cheapest things there. Also same in here in Mabalacat have also cheapest things also. So just only not the place of Balibago.
Only Balibago is expensive area in Angeles City.
Yes.
Maybe in Pampanga.
Yes.
Balibago in Angeles City.
Yes.
Because some of people thinking it's Angeles, we think Angeles is only where Boken Street. Angeles
Angeles is so big part.
big, yes. Even our city is Mabalacat, it's very big city.
Big part also. We have
Yeah.
Dao, Mabalacat, Angeles, Balibago. So it's in Mabalacat have two, Dao and Mabalacat. In Angeles, Balibago and Angeles. That's why it's so big.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Guys, do not want to say because some of subscribers say guys.
Thank you for watching, guys. Or everyone, please subscribe and like. Salamat.